Hi, Chris Rogers here with a first look at Lenovo's U260 IdeaPad laptop. This is a consumer laptop from Lenovo. It's part of their IdeaPad line. It was released in November of last year, so it's been out for about a year. It still holds up very well. It's a 12.5-inch form factor laptop, so it's very good for people on the road, very good for people who are traveling a lot. Although it's a consumer-oriented device, it still has a lot of applications for a small business. So the insides of this machine are a Core i5, rated at 1.3 gigahertz. It also has 4 gigs of RAM. It's got a 320 gigabyte hard drive, Windows 7, chiclet keyboard. On the left-hand side there is USB 2.0, headphone mic combo, and a hard wireless on-off switch. It also has VGA out, Ethernet, HDMI out, and USB 2.0 along the right-hand side, so no optical drive on these machines. The whole outer casing is very rubbery finish. It gives it a very good, sturdy feel to it. And if you open up the laptop, it's got almost a leathery notebook finish to it. So it does look the part too for a small business laptop. So the resolution on the 12.5-inch display is 1366 by 768, which makes it kind of narrow. It is a 16:9 display, and it is sort of a standard resolution for a lot of these form factor laptops, including the last Dell Latitude that I reviewed last month. But I still find the display just to be a bit too narrow. It's still okay with Windows 7, especially if you're a user who takes advantage of the snap features, where you'd snap one window and two windows side by side. There are some advantages to having a lengthy display like that, but I still find it too narrow. So I've been using the laptop for about 5 days now, and I use it mainly for word processing and productivity, just browsing around the internet, email. It's a good all-around laptop for that, but the biggest feature is that it's extremely portable and light. It's not very much to put in a briefcase, and it's a very solid design. Lenovo actually built this one to look like a book, with the binding on the back and sort of the book pages on the front, and it is a great form factor design. So you can look for a full review of the Lenovo U260 in the coming week, and you can follow us always online at crncanada.ca, or on Twitter at @crncanada, and you can follow me personally on Twitter at @rc_Rogers.